Yes, you should. And there's some really key points that go in with this. First off, it gives you quality time to spend with your fiance before the wedding, where you can like laugh and play and, maybe go out to dinner afterwards, or at least grab a drink and, and have some downtime. Two, it gives you the confidence to be in front of the eyes of your family and friends as you're on that dance floor, and so that you'll enjoy it better. Three, your pictures are going to be over the top fantastic. And and I have to share that I had this one wedding where they had done the theme from the movie Mr. and Mrs. Smith with Brad Pitt, and so the bride had changed into a different dress that had a slit in it, and she literally slid down the pant leg of her now husband and pulled up his pant leg and tossed out the toy gun that was stuck in his sock. And I was like, bravo. It was so cute. So adding some type of little element to the dance could be fun for you. Or not, it just depends. But this was fun for them, and I just laughed. It's one of my treasured memories of how fantastic that was. So when you're doing your lessons, you could do like a group lessons, you could do private lessons. Usually about 6 lessons would probably be sufficient if you're practicing at home, and giving it a little bit of a twirl in the kitchen dance floor. And if you're going like, I don't want anything too complicated, this is starting to sound too hard, you can keep it simple. It does not need to be difficult. And you can learn part of the routine and then repeat that part of the routine again. And as you move into a different position on the floor, so you kind of give a half turn and then your back is to the others and you do the same portion, it looks different. And that's it. That's all that you really need to be concerned about, is feeling confident on the dance floor and getting in those great pictures, and people, smiling in gratitude, because it's also an expression of your love for each other.